I have fraction 6 over 7 times the mixed number 3 and 3/4. Okay, what I have to do first, I have to convert my mixed number to the improper fraction by multiplying denominator by the whole number, and the result you have to add to the numerator. That's why I have 6 over 7 times 3 times 4 is equal 12. 12 plus 3 is 50 over 4. You have to keep this denominator. Now, check if we can reduce something. Any numerator with any denominator. 6 is divisible by 2 and 4 is divisible by 2. That's why I'm going to reduce 6 by 2 and 4 by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3 over 7 times 15 over 2. Now I cannot reduce anything else. That's why I'm going to perform the multiplication. I'm going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 3 times 15 is 45 over 7 times 2 is 14. Now this is the example of the improper fraction. What I have to do with improper fraction, most of the time I have to convert to the mixed number. 45 divided by 14. How many times 14 goes into 45? 3 times. 3 times 45 is going to be equal 42. Subtract is 3. My answer is 3 and 3 14ths. Remember, the top number goes to the front, the remainder goes to the numerator, and the divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 3 and 3 14ths.